To ako po, I guard for this particular person. Of course, one not the best, one of the best school heads that we have in the secondary, with class and elegance, Sir Il Chongko. Nandun pa lang po ako doon. Mangis lang na yung stage 2. A reflection of Sir Il. Likewise, to our guest speaker, who is of course one of the graduates of this institution, Sir Aaron, giving his inspirational message to our graduates, to our head teachers, our teachers na naka-Asian inspired. Kahit mainit, binabata nila ang Asian inspired. Of course, we are happy to see you in that Asian inspired costume. Minsan lang naman ang graduation, dapat talaga nakabihis tayo. And of course, to our parents there at the back, and to the most important persons in today's occasion, our junior high school completers of Porac Model National High School, isang mabiyaya at mapagpalang hapon sa ating lahat. Suki po ako ng Porac ngayon. Yan ang laging binibigay sa akin. But I am very happy to see the transformation of the school. And at the same time, I am very happy to be with you today, to witness this memorable and momentous celebration in the life of our student that marks another milestone in their life as a student. Sa ating mga junior high school completers, most probably, the past 4 years of your life in the school might have been all happy. Am I correct? It might be good or bad experiences you have encountered in the past years, happy and sad. But I believe, by really seeing you today, I can see that you have taken them positively and successfully, or else you will not reach this far, this completion ceremony, without taking them positively and successfully. And so today, my dear students, you will be ending another chapter of your life today. But I am confident enough, because I am seeing your guest speaker, that the school, to your teachers and the leadership of the school head, has given you enough time to prepare, equipping you, arming you with the necessary skills, knowledge, and attitude, so that when you move to the next chapter of your life, you are ready to face the next battle of the uncertain life. After today also, you will be facing another journey, another beginning of your journey as a student. Somewhat uncertain, but again, I go back. You were armed, you were molded and shaped to a person of worth and value, and now you can be ready to move to the next battle, to prepare for a bright future. In other words, today's occasion, it warms memories of the past, but it's a preparation for a bolder, brighter future in the next to come, in the years to come. So my dear, according to your guest speaker, I was listening to him. Enjoy the moment, celebrate the moment, make the most out of it, savor it, because this is your day. You have 4 years of struggles, of challenges to be able to reach this far. And I would like to share a story which will summarize our occasion today. Sabi ko, ano kasi story senior ko last year dito? Nakakalimutan ko na. But I would like to share a story. And these are stories in the elementary, but the beauty of the lessons are applicable to all. There was once a story. Anak, nakikinig ba kayo? The message is for you. There was this tiny seed, small seed, which was buried deeper into the soil. And this tiny seed dreamed of becoming a starry tree, touching the sky, providing shelter, providing shade, and bearing fruit. That was the dream of the seed. But you know, life is not always kind to the seed. Even in our life, life is not always kind to us. Likewise, in your life as a student, life was not always a bed of roses, happy moments. There are challenges. A very strong storm came. Heavy rainfall, heavy wind. It almost drowned the seed and washed the seed. Almost the seed might die. After the storm, a dream of becoming a sturdy tree. But you know what the seed did? He clinged to the soil. He dug deeper into the soil. And it was noticed by the rain, by the wind, until one day, the seed began to sprout. Each day the seed grows, and as he faces each stage of growth, there are still a lot of challenges. The wind is still there, insects are there, men are there, inaapak-apakan. But the seed persevered, never give up on his dream to becoming a sturdy tree. My dear graduates, you are like the seed. You are like the seed. You did not remain to be a seed, but what is important, what becomes of the seed, and what will become more of the seed in the years to come. You persevere. And so today, because of that perseverance, you will be receiving the certificate that bespeaks of your intellectual struggle. But I would like to remind you, never settle for less than the best, because today is just part of your preparation for a brighter and bigger future. I would like always to relay this story. Every graduation, hindi po ako nagsasawang share the story. Yung pong paalala ng aking lola. Because I came from a very poor family. Na unang panahon, hindi uso ang pera. Laging sinasabi po ng lola ko. And remember this, anak. Kapag napanganak kang mahirap, namatay kang mahirap, wala kang ginawa sa buhay mo, kasalanan mo. Kaya sabi ng isang successful woman, everything in life is another choice and decision. If you want to be successful, it's a choice. If you want to stay in your place, do not do anything, be happy and contented where you are, it's also a choice. And Austin would always tell us, we are what we are today. You are what you are today because of what you did yesterday. You persevered in the last 4 years. That's why you are here. But what will be of you tomorrow? It depends on the choices that you will do after today. So my dear graduates, if you exerted effort, hard, determination, patience, perseverance in the junior high, double it, triple it in your senior high. Ang sabi po ng end of the school year rights team, ano sabi po niya? Henerasyon ng pagkakaisa, kagaapal ng bagong Pilipinas. Napakahirap niya, generation of unity, partners for the new Philippines. You know what does that team symbolizes? It highlights, it points out the significance, the relevance of the synergized effort, the team effort, the collaboration of the school-headed, the principal, the family, and the entire community to give to you that stronger, better education that will prepare you as youth and leaders of this country for you will be and will become the new generation that will make the new Philippines. So today, be proud of what you have accomplished, but make your school proud of you, just like your guest speaker. Make your school proud of you. So envision success. The future of every country is developed in the school. The future of this community partly was developed in every classroom of Porac model, and you are the future of this community. Envision success. Program your mind for success. You think big, and big things will come to you. But if you think small, small things will also come to you. The only person that can stop you from achieving your dream is you, anak. If you stop fighting, even without fighting the battle, you will lose because you give up on your dream. Persevere. You have plans? May plano na ba kayo? Ano ang kukunin nyo sa senior high? Yes or yes? Dapat may plano na kayo. But whatever plans that you have, make the Lord as your partner in achieving your dreams. That is the success ingredient then. Make the Lord as your partner. Commit all your plans, all your steps to the Lord. Respect your parents. Add hard work. Add determination. That will spell the difference in a better and successful career in the future. And when you become successful, go back just like your guest speaker. And so today, we acknowledge also the significant achievement of our teachers. Palakpakan nga ninyo ang teachers niyo, anak. Maraming salamat, my dear teachers. Abraham Lincoln would always tell us, we cannot build the future for our youth. We have limitations, we can never do that. But you have done the precious lessons in life. You have built the youth for the future. And we thank you. And likewise, we say thank you to our parents that ba. Maraming salamat sa ating mga magulang. Ang tagumpay ng anak ay tagumpay ng mga magulang. Sana po gawin ninyong inspirasyon ito para sa kanilang pagtatapos sa senior at sa college. Napakahirap po ng buhay today. Kahit nakapag-aral ka, mahirap pa rin po magpapanak ng trabaho. Pero lalong magiging mahirap ang buhay nila kung hindi natin sila tutulungan makapagtapos sa kanilang pag-aaral. Let us continue supporting them. And so to you, my dear graduates, palakpakan ninyo ang inyong mga magulang. At higit sa lahat, palakpakan ninyo ang inyong mga sarili. Kahit gaano, how much the school would try to give to you, and your parents would try to support you, if you did not do your part, you will not end in this end of the school year, guys. And to end this message, I would like to leave to you to these particular words, my dear completers. Nakikinig ba kayo, anak? According to one author, ang sabi niya, we watch our words. Watch our words. They become our action. We watch our action. They become our habit. We watch our habit. They become our character. And we watch our character always, for they will become our destiny. What we think is what we become. And vision success, program your mind for success. The future is waiting for you. The future is so big for you. Go up and do something remarkable for yourself, for your family, for your community, for you are the next generation for the new Philippines. My congratulations to everyone and good afternoon.